Alright, so now that we got those intakes off, there's some foam right here that we can just pop out. And here are the fuel rails. Really easy to get to, not that difficult.